They say the best things in life are worth the trek, and 2 feet of fresh snow in Michigan's Upper Peninsula didn't hold us back from taking this trip. We're headed north into a total winter wonderland. We spent our nights in a cozy cabin and our days catching the adrenaline of our very first ice race. It was the ultimate winter getaway, but we were actually there for a much bigger reason. The secret's finally out. We aren't leaving Michigan alone. Everyone, I want you to meet the newest member of our family, Annie. Hey, we're gonna tour this cute little cabin we rented. Hey, Captain.
Hello there.
He's in the kitchen. Hey, Addie. Where's Elle? Oh, hey, Elle. You're up there.
Hey, hold on. Come back here. Let's talk about the kitchen. It's really nice. It's got all the utensils you would think you would need. A couple pans, a couple of bowls, drawers of stuff. I mean, it's stocked. It's really good. Coffee cups, a Keurig maker.
Even Yetis.
Yetis. I mean, it's got all the right stuff. Microwave, a little fridge. But let's talk about the floor here for a second. We all know it's cold. You saw the snow outside. It's radiant heated flooring. Let me tell you, it gets warm in here. Yeah. Really warm. We had to open a window a little bit last night.
All right, let's take a look at the bedroom down here. Nice size. Got a cute little bathroom, walk-in shower. An amazing little sectional couch that the dog is not allowed on. Poor Banks. And then if we go upstairs, the dogs are coming with. We've got a couple of bunks. 4 bunks. Hi, Bitey. What does everybody think about the cabin? All right, we'll show you one of the most favorite parts later. This is a new endeavor for us. There's the family.
Oh, this is awesome. I want one.
Oh. No problem. Buy it.
12 degrees outside. Here in the UP of Michigan, in our wonderful cabin. We got a campfire going over here.
This is wild.
I take this very seriously.
Look, they got a campfire.
Got their grills out. Where do you want to go?
I don't care. Was that the most exciting race?
It's crazy fast.
Fast and you can't see. It's like just complete snow washout behind all of them.
Well, folks, that was some family entertainment, all for the low, low cost of $5 a carload. $5. What kind of crazy entertainment can you get for $5 anywhere? We spent the last hour and 38 minutes hanging out there. The only reason we left is because the co-pilot had to pee.
I guess you could go back if you really wanted to and pay $5 again.
I mean, $5. I mean, it was a little slow when the kiddies were going, but once the adults got in, we were moving.
It'd be better with some food.
Time to hit the grocery store and a potty break.
We're hungry. Bye, ice racing.
Snow off his roof.
A lot of snow.
There was a deer that ran across the road right here. If you're not driving a pickup truck up here, you got to reevaluate your life choices. Yeah, they're right there. A whole pack of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, there's another one right in the back. 7, 8, 9. I don't get on my roof in the non-snow.
You didn't have a problem getting on this.
Nope.
This is
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful like that.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Everybody's so excited. Everybody's so excited. Got you.
I've got a party.
Get a puppy party. Ready? Ready? Who's gonna get it? Nobody wants it.
So whatever makes you happy.
When our dock diving dog, he retired, we didn't keep going. We went to a couple of events to stay with some friends and do a few things with them.
Boom, boom. Everybody out. Everybody out. Look at all those good potties outside. Eleanor the dog whisperer.
Right on your foot, Meg.
Hi. I think she's picked us. She's like, oh wait, where did everybody go? Yeah, that's her.
that one. Oh, here.
Hi. Hi. This is the snuggler girl. This is the snuggler girl. Is that car barking at you? That's Banks. This one's got... You need some snowshoes, little one. You had to come check out this branch right here. There you are. There you are. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. Hi. Are you going to be our little girl? Are you going to be our little girl? Huh? Are you going to be our little girl? Huh? Are you going to be our little girl?
To the icicle.
And we'll back to the tree. There she goes. She's got to go see what her siblings doing.
Wrong way, puppy.
What you doing, little girl?
Puppy.
Is they're tumbling into the other side of the trees.
They're coming back.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh, there you go. You can't see. You have so much snow on your face.
Oh boy.
Oh, goodness. That was a fun adventure, huh? Oh, got everybody. Hello. Oh, look, it's a baby.
Walt? Boy, Walt. Oh, you're happy. Oh, you're happy. Big dogs like little dogs.
Wagging his tail, that's good. There you go. Let him sniff. Honestly, he's probably pretty good based upon what I'm seeing. You are going to be picking these.
You better watch out for them. They're going to get up.
Walt!
Don't be scared of that. He's just happy. He scares me. That's hurt my tooth. But I think that's a good introduction.
Hi, baby.
Oh, he's doing the tissues already? He's doing the tissues. Did you just eat that? No. Okay, gotta move the tissues.
It's just been a crazy whirlwind of a weekend. Everything from ice racing to hot tub time, and
In 12 degrees.
it was 12 degrees. It was awesome. In a great cabin in the middle of a town that literally has one grocery store and one gas station. So it was an amazing weekend. We got lots of memories out of it, and lots more memories coming.
Yeah, you'll be seeing her a lot on videos upcoming, along with Walt. You can see him back there too, and Banks.
Maybe we should do some kind of video about how do we travel with 3 pets.
Yeah, that'd probably be good
Well,
too.
technically,
Once we figure that out.
Technically, it's 4 pets. You got to add in the hamster.
Oh yeah.
So,
All right. Well, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next video.
we just keep making more adventures.
This epic landscape holds secrets yet untold. Stories with our captain's logs and our trusty motorhome unfold.